Within your dashboard, we have two separate tabs dedicated to your finances. The first tab I will go over is the Payments tab. Please use this tab to add a new credit card to be used for your digital wallet. When you click on the Payments tab, if you have no card loaded, you will be prompted to add one to be used for your digital wallet. Please fill out the details, and once you are done, click Save Information. Teachers1on1 currently accepts Discover, MasterCard, Visa, Amex, JCB, and Diners Club. If your payment is successful, you will first be served a modal that says your card was successfully added. Once you click OK, you should see an abbreviated form of your card in your Payment Method tab. If you wish to delete this card, simply click the Delete button on the right-hand side of the container. The Transactions tab records an itemized history of all transactions that have successfully gone through on Teachers1on1. These will include the use of promo codes and the actual payment of lessons. If you would like to do more specific search for a particular lesson, you can use the search bar up in the upper left-hand corner, or you can filter by time in the upper right-hand corner. If you would like an itemized statement of your transactions, simply click the Download PDF button at the bottom of the screen.